Good morning students. Today we are going to conduct experiment number 6, that is two-way and three-way control of lamp and formation of switching table. The aim of experiment is to study the two-way and three-way control of lamp and formation of switching table. Look at the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram to discuss about the two-way control of lamp. This is the lamp and it is connected in series with the two switches. One switch name called switch S1 and the one is called switch S2. It is connected across line and neutral, and DPST is nothing but the switch. Once you throw the DPST switch, that is dipole single through switch, the circuit acts as a short circuit and current will flow through the circuit, and again it depends upon that switch S1 and S2 positions. For suppose switch S1 is at position number 1 and switch S2 is at position number 3, then the circuit can act as a short circuit and condition of the lamp is on. For suppose if switch S1 is at switch S1 condition at terminal 2 and switch S2 at terminal 4, again the circuit can act as a short circuit and there is a flow of current and the condition of the lamp is on. For suppose if the switch S1 is at position 1, switch S2 is at position 4, the circuit acts as a brake circuit, there is no flow of current and condition of the lamp is off. For suppose switch S1 is at position 2, switch S2 is position at 3, again there is no any flow of current and condition of the lamp is off. So this is the thing what we discussed for straight connection where one lamp is controlled by two switches. In similar, if you see that cross connection for the same control of one lamp, and here three switches, but among the three switches one switch, that is switch S3, where AD terminals and BC terminals are short circuited permanently and it is a cross connection. During cross connection, what about that condition of the lamp? When DPST switch is thrown and make as the short circuit and there is a flow of current, and again it depends upon switch number S1 and S2. For suppose if switch S1 is at position number 1 and switch S2 is at position number 4, then the condition of the lamp is on. For suppose switch S1 is at position number 2, switch S2 is at position number 3, then the condition of the lamp is on. For suppose if the switch S1 is at position number 1, switch S2 is at position number 3, then there is no flow of current and the condition of the lamp is off. For suppose if the switch S1 is at position number 2 and switch S2 is at position number 4, there is no flow of current and condition of the lamp is off. To discuss well about the straight connection and cross connection regarding to two and three-way control of lamp, let us look at the following video.
Yes. Good morning students. Myself Dr. K. V. Ramareddy. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are conducting an experiment on two-way and three-way control of lamp. Two-way and three-way control of lamp and formation of a switching table. So here we are going to exercise two-way control of one lamp and three-way control of one lamp. Regarding to conduct this experiment, and one intermediate switch with a 5 amperes current rating and lamp with a 40 watts rating. These are the things what we want. Three-way control of one lamp. Here there is a panel board for us. In this panel board here we have that one DPST switch to make and break the circuit. So here the connections, if you see here I am taking that one fluorescent lamp whose rating like 40 watts, and if you see here, this is the supply phase and neutral terminals. Here we are giving the 230 volts AC supply. This is phase and neutral. Phase, neutral. I am short circuited here for the connections. As to make that straight connection, if you see that all line, phase and phase all are short circuited here, and neutrals all are short circuited here for making that straight connection of two-way control of one lamp. And again here at the load, phase, neutral are short circuited. As to exercise this experiment, there is a switch S1 and there is a switch S2. If you see here, this is that switch S1. The terminals, if the switch is at top position, that is the switch S1 is at terminal A and the switch SW at position B. And this is one more switch called SW2, and here the switch is initially now at position C. Okay, if you throw down, it will come to position D. Now there is a switch here. This switch position is shown to that terminal 1. That means this is the two-way control of lamp where we are discussing for straight connection manner. If you turn this switch to second, it is nothing but like cross connection. So now initially we are doing that here. When I make the power supply here, if you verify the truth table, to verify the truth table, just look at the table. So this is the connection what we given. This is that observations what we are going to observe. So like switch S1 and S2 positions. If you see here, the position switch S1 at terminal at position A, switch 2 at position C. Now look at here. Switch S1 is at position A, switch S2 is at position C. So position A and position C means the condition of the lamp is like on. So the bulb is on at here, and I am going to make switch S1 at position A, switch S2 at position D. The condition of lamp is should be off. So I am place the switch S1 at position A and switch S2 at position D. I am going to throw the switch to position D. Now the condition of the lamp is off. Again, according to the truth table, switch S1 if I take that position B, switch S2 if I take the position D. So switch S1 I am going to make that position B, and switch S2 I am going to take the position D. So both switches are to downward direction. That means the condition of the lamp is on. The condition of the lamp is on here and the lamp is glowing here. Next, again for another case, switch S1 if you throw that position B, switch S2 if you throw that position to C, that means B and C. So switch S1 already is there in position B, switch S2, so we have to throw this one for position C. So when it is thrown to position C, the bulb is off. Off. Next, we are going to continue the same experiment for two-way control. For two-way and three-way control lamp for cross connection. What we discuss right now, that should be opposite for cross connection. To verify this logic table, again we have to make the connections as like this. Look at the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram where this is the phase and neutral of master power supply, and this is the two-way switch, and this is another two-way switch. Here lamp is there and connections are interconnected, and here we are taken that connections like cross connection. If you are going to make that cross connection, so whatever we discuss right now, the truth table, that will come into opposite positions. We are going to make the connections in the panel board. So come to the panel board. Here I am going to throw the switch from position 1 to position 2. That means it will come for cross connection. Now here we are going to discuss for three-way control of one lamp under cross connection. Three-way control of lamp under cross connection. If you see that truth table, so truth table, these are the position switch S1 and switch S2. Till to now we completed for straight connection. Again from here onwards we are going to discuss for cross connection. For cross connection, so if you see that for cross connection, now first initially switch S1 at position B, switch S2 at position C. Come to panel, switch S1 at position B, switch S2 at position C. So see, one is downward direction, one switch is like upward direction. So if it is like cross manner, the condition of the lamp is on. Next case is switch S1 at position B, switch S2 at position D. Switch S1 at position B, switch S2 at position D. The condition of the lamp is here, it is off. So we have to check here. Switch S1 is at condition B and switch S2 is at condition D. So if it is placed at condition D, the condition of the lamp is off. Next, again, if you see that switch S1 at A, position A, switch S2 at position D, the condition of the lamp is on. So position A and position D by switch S2, and the condition of the lamp